Welcome to Easy Moto Tim, where I share tips to enhance your motorcycle travel experience. Today's topic deals with making a transparent background for custom waypoint symbols. One of BaseCamp's features gives you the ability to install custom waypoint symbols. In the last video, we gave a symbol in BMP format a transparent background. I suggest you watch that video before this one. In this video, we'll create a custom waypoint symbol in PNG format and give it a transparent background. As I said in the last video, BMP files don't have a transparent background, so Garmin arbitrarily decided to designate the color magenta as the transparent color. That is, each magenta pixel is replaced with the pixel of the map below. PNG files, on the other hand, can have a transparent background. The color magenta is not treated as a background color by BaseCamp. The resource we're using in this video to create a PNG file with a transparent background is GIMP, which is an open source graphics editing program for Windows. You can download it from gimp.org/downloads. This is not a tutorial on GIMP, so if you need help, I suggest you watch any of the many YouTube videos on using GIMP. Let's go to Google and search for National Park symbol. These images come up. I'm interested in this one here. I'll click on it. It's over here on the right. It's 638 by 400 pixels. That's a good size for a master image. We'll right-click and save image as. Save it in our working POI symbol directory. I've done that. So here is that image. I've downloaded it and saved it here in my Garmin working directory. Now we'll go into GIMP, and be sure you have a couple of settings. That Windows single window mode is checked, that you have the toolbox and you have the tool options, and that this setting for configuring the tool options window is set to lock tab to dock. I have my foreground color as magenta and background color is white. Now I'm going to File, Open, and navigate to where I saved my National Park symbol. Click on that and open it. I'm going to hold the Control key and move the mouse wheel in order to make the symbol larger. Now we want to be sure that the image mode is RGB. Next, we're going to select a square. We're going to turn this rectangle into a square image. So I'm going to the rectangular select tool and create a square selection that's 400 by 400. I can enter the values directly. I want it on row 0, and now we can move it left or right until we get it centered. I'm putting the highlight here in position where it says 142, and I can use my up and down arrows to change that number. Look on the screen at what seems to be pretty good location. I like that. Then I'm going to Image, Crop to Selection. That makes us a square image. Next, I'm going to export this with File, Export As, and I'm going to call it National Park Symbol 400 by 400. That way we'll have a master of the, and I'm saving it in JPEG format, that's fine. Quality is 100, and export. Now I want to select the arrowhead. I'm going up here to this tool, which is a wand with a star on the end of it. It's the fuzzy select tool. These settings are fine, and then click on the white area. Now I don't know if you can see it on your screen, but there's a dotted line around the edge of the arrowhead. Next, I'm going to Layer, Transparency, Add Alpha Channel. We go to Layer, Transparency, Color to Alpha. Make sure this is white, and the white color outside the selected area turns to a checkerboard. That's the transparent area. Click OK. And then select None. And there we have our image. Let's save that. File, Export As, and I'm going to call it 400 by 400 transparent. And instead of .jpg as the end, I'm going to put PNG. And so long as it down here it says select file type by extension, now it will save it as a PNG file. We'll export, and with the compression level 9, export it again. Now we want to make 3 sizes. Image, scale image, we'll do 32 by 32, interpolation none, scale. We want to file, export as, we'll call this the 32 by 32, PNG, export, and we want to be sure that we save color values from transparent pixels, and we want to save the background color. Then we export. All right, now File, Open Recent. We'll go back and get our master transparent, and we'll image, scale image, 24 by 24. Interpolation none, scale, file, export as, and this time we'll make it 24 by 24. Export, export, file, open recent, get our master, image, scale image, 16 by 16, and then file, export as, where is that? Export as, 16 by 16. And export again. Now if we go to the working directory, we see we have the image we downloaded and our 400 by 400 JPEG, and we have our 400 by 400 transparent PNG, and the 16 by 16, 24 by 24, and 32 by 32. I'm going to select those 3 small ones, Control Copy, Control C, go over to the My Garmin custom waypoint symbols and Control-V paste. And I'm going to then rename the first one F2 013. The next one is F2 014. And the next one is F2 015. We have to go back to BaseCamp and close it and then reopen it. So let's look at the one we did before. We'll open it up and do the down arrow, go all the way to the bottom, and now you see we have the three symbols we just made that are PNG. And we can pick the large one, and we see what size, a 32 by 32. There you have it, a custom waypoint symbol in PNG format with a transparent background. In the next video, we'll create a custom waypoint symbol from scratch using GIMP. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to support the channel, you can buy me a cup of coffee at buymeacoffee.com or go to the Amazon pages on my website where I have affiliate links to the products I use. The link is in the description. In any case, I appreciate your support and all the positive comments. I'll see you in the next video.